Hey guys. Hey Wanderers.
We have a van full of wet gear. We're van camping tonight though. Stay tuned. Gotta hang up this stuff.
Pulled the tarp out of the bag. Look at this. Gotta dry it out. Reminds me of Little House on the Prairie where the little girls are running down at the intro and they're all running down the hill. He just laid down and started rolling around. He was like, I'm not walking anywhere. He's in play mode. He's happy to be out of his house.
It's cute. An old house. Yeah. 40 miles of trails.
Yeah. And they're all closed today because of the weather.
You little muppet. That way. Well, you want to run, huh? These rocks are too big for you, buddy. What do you think?
There's nothing to see at the front.
Well, you can drive down there and see.
Turn it that way.
Whoa, let him go.
Things you don't see us driving around back and forth trying to get shots. I used to have to hop out and get the camera out, but now I have Jude and he's all calm right now, so.
He's a cold little puppy.
Cold.
Fancy ramen.
Like last night we were in the tent, we had mashed potatoes and hot dogs, and I was sending him recipes
Yeah.
for real food when we get back.
When we get back, I'll cook whatever you want, honey. Bon appetit.
We've said it a lot, but food's just better when you're camping.
Honey,
You gonna do the dishes?
how did you know that's what I was gonna say?
Because I've been married to you for a really long time. It's been forever.
Here, I'm gonna do the dishes. Done. What you doing there, Mel?
Teabagging.
Teabagging? I'm gonna teabag too. Good morning, y'all. You wanna see some snuggle butts? You like snuggling in Mel's hair.
Mm-hmm.
He's got a little sweater.
He's cold, but he wanted to go outside with his daddy, so.
Let's go. Let's do this. Okay, well, that was Hill Country Natural Area. It is well equipped for Horses.
Yes, I think that this area is really good for horses. It's most of what they have around here. We actually saw 2 people riding their horse out here.
Right back there, there's all kinds of electrical hookups, electricity for equestrian camping.
It's a lot of, for me, rest and relaxation.
If you've gone this far in the video and you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that button. It takes no effort at all. Anyway, until next time, happy trails, y'all.